Emily waited 18 years to feel beautiful. Then the most popular boy in college called her special. She gave him her time, trust, and heart. But one night in the library, she learned the truth. Emily was an 18-year-old girl from a small town. College felt huge to her. The campus, classrooms, and people all seemed bigger than her confidence. She was quiet, simple, and never felt beautiful. Boys never noticed her first. Friends never picked her first. Even in photos, she stood at the side. Deep inside, she only wanted someone to look at her and say, "You are special." Then she met Brandon. He was the campus star, a basketball player everyone knew. Girls smiled when he walked by, and students cheered for him during games. Emily never thought he would notice her. But one day, he sat beside her in class, smiled and said, "You are really beautiful." For 1 second, Emily forgot how to breathe. Emily believed him because she had waited her whole life to hear those words. When Brandon texted, she answered fast. When he invited her to games, she skipped study sessions. When he missed her, she tried to look perfect. Slowly, Brandon became her whole world. Her books stayed closed, assignments became late, friends stopped asking her to join them, and she began ignoring her mother's Sunday calls. But love should not make you forget yourself. Brandon took Emily's time and attention, but he never gave the same back. When she had a test, he still wanted her to come out. When she was tired, he called her boring. When she spoke about her dreams, he changed the topic to himself. Still, Emily stayed because she was afraid if she said no, he would leave. If this story is touching your heart, please like this video. Subscribe to English Story Academy for more motivational English learning stories. The night before finals, Emily sat in the library with open books, but she was weeks behind. Suddenly, her phone buzzed. A girl from class sent her a screenshot and wrote, "Did Brandon send this to you too?" Emily opened it. The message said, "You are really beautiful. You are special." Her hands went cold. They were the same words Brandon had said to her. Then more screenshots came. Different girls. Same words, same game. Emily finally understood. Brandon had not chosen her. He had used the words she needed most and filled her lonely heart with fake attention. She looked at her books, then her phone, and remembered every Sunday call she ignored. Her mother had always waited for her. With shaking hands, Emily called her mother for the first time in 2 months. Her mother answered on the first ring and said, "Baby, I have been waiting." Emily put her head down and cried, not for Brandon, but for the girl she had forgotten while trying to be loved by someone who never truly cared. That night, Emily learned that real love does not make you smaller or pull you away from your future. From that day, she chose herself again. She studied, called her mother, and stopped chasing people who only wanted attention. If this story touched your heart, like this video and share it with someone who needs self-respect today. Subscribe to English Story Academy, where every story makes you stronger, wiser, and better in English. Moral of the story: do not lose yourself just because someone finally notices you. Real love does not steal your future. It helps you become better.